Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can change your iPhone password. This is going to be a very simple step-by-step tutorial. Now first thing you have to do is unlock your phone and then tap on the settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Scroll down the settings menu and tap on either Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID Passcode. Depending on the biometric authentication method your iPhone supports, enter your current passcode to proceed. This step ensures that only authorized users can make the change. After you have entered your current passcode, scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. You will be asked to enter your current passcode one more time. Now you are ready to enter your new passcode. Ensure that is a strong one. To confirm your new passcode, enter it again. Well done! Your passcode has been changed successfully. If you thought this video is informational, feel free to click subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.